RVS tutorials make it easy to get started using RVS or to brush up your knowledge on a specific feature or stage in the workflow. Interactive tutorials are available for each RVS product and supported programming language, and are optimized for your industry, covering every stage of your project, from setting it up to exporting your results. Each tutorial takes you through the stage or feature in question, guiding you clearly with step-by-step instructions and links to more detailed information in the RVS documentation. You can follow tutorials in order or search for the topic you want to explore. Either way, your progress is tracked so you can identify which tutorials you've completed and which you haven't. Tutorials aren't once and done, however, as you can reset any tutorial at any time. We add new features and tutorials to go with them in most new versions of RVS. You can filter tutorials just to see new ones introduced in that version.